Hi guys, we're going to the beach. Okay, so we are going to the beach and this will be my second time at a beach here. The first one I went to was a beach called Whitstable and it was a pebblestone beach, so it wasn't the best. But I think this one has sand. I don't know. Maybe, possibly. But, anywho, let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Don't really know how I'm gonna do that because my setup is not the best. And my room is a mess. Okay, my stand is broken, so me showing y'all this outfit is kind of mashed up. But that's okay. So, it is this mom jeans, this white top, ignore the stains, and these shoes. Yeah. I'm having an absolute meltdown because all I want to do is wear joggers, but I decided I'd wear these stupid mom jeans. And now my camera is turning because I have it stacked on a book. We just need to get there. Once we get there, everything will be so fine. So fine. Let me clean my elbows as well. It's nice there. She looks cute. I look semi-cute, not all that cute. Ugh. So I have changed pants because those jeans were uncomfortable and they just didn't fit right. But now I'm in pants that I've already worn. It's already on my Instagram. Which is not a real life problem because washing machines exist. But I wanted a new outfit, you know. And my top is wet because who even knew lip gloss could stain? Yeah, so I'm trying to get that out. But y'all have seen these pants already, so I'm not even gonna bother showing it to y'all. Okay, I'm ready to go. Everything is above me now. My essay is still not done. Why does this top look like it has shoulder pads? Today was supposed to be a nice, peaceful day. It's not nice and peaceful. It's very stressful, actually. Whatever. We're gonna go. Once we get to the beach, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Right? Yeah.
Structure back wherever.
The sun is so nice. The sun is so nice. These eyebrows need to be done. I'm ready to go. Does this beach have sand, Julia?
I don't know. I think it's stones. This one.
Another stone beach. Okay, everyone's ready and off we go. Lift Pop, say hi. Where are you?
Hi.
Estoy aquí. Wow. Yes, light. There's Lift Pop.
Hello.
Yes, the sunlight. Everything right now. I look so good in the sun. The beach is there. Okay, we've made it to the beach. It's a pebble sand beach. I don't know if y'all could see, but combination. The girls are there. I think we're just gonna chill for a while and then we're gonna get fish and chips and donuts later at some point. Okay. We've attempted to take pictures. Awful. I'll try again later, but right now it's awful. Girls, how are we liking the beach?
Yeah.
Thank you, Janai, for that ever helpful response. But it's alright, you know, we just chilling here. Not much.
Show them. Hi, Celine's vlog.
Hi. How are you enjoying the beach, Liv?
Nice. I'm a bit chilly. That's why I'm glad I have this cardigan. What?
Oh, we look so pretty right here.
We do, don't we?
Damn, we didn't look this pretty on the beach.
No, we didn't. It's the sun.
This pair is so cute, and it was probably so cute pre-COVID. They've got a stage, they've got a bunch of booths, they've got rides. It's really nice.
They are quite small.
How can I also do a small tips?
Another portion of chips, please.
We're
Yes,
all getting
please.
chips if you want to, I don't know, put them on.
Bang out 3 more portions of chips, please.
Yeah,
And I'm timing you.
makes sense.
We've gotten fish and chips, you can't even see us. But they're seagulls.
I can't do it.
They're seagulls. They might come attack us. How are the donuts, Liv?
So good.
I'm gonna try my chips.
So soft.
But you're all there. Haha.
I'm having a donut first.
No, I'm having a chip.
So low.
Oh my god, these seagulls.
I think I can do this.
You should go.
Just come, they won't come.
Don't believe that.
Yeah, Julia said it went on her shoulder. I don't want any bird touching me. Awful.
This is very good.
Walking home after my first shift, I ate a mini pizza.
Very hot. Oh god.
Yeah, that's why I had the donuts first.
We're too hot. So I'll simply have the donuts first. Donut! Yum! Falling. Donuts are so good. I'm so sorry about this angle. Girls, how's your food?
Hot. Really hot.
Mash up.
This is fish chicken, yeah. Is it? I think so, yeah.
I'm tired. Ready to go home. I think we're gonna go home. We're just waiting on Liv to get more donuts, and then I went to get ice cream. Okay, time to go home.
Home time.
I think the beach was a success.
Yes.
Yeah, Liv?
I'm so full.
Then I got ice cream. Liv, say hi.
I wanted to get some, but I can't drive. And
But yeah, surprisingly, I thought about work, but was not stressed about work. So I think this was a good day. But it's time to go now.
bye.
Bye bye, beach. Okay. We are home, as you can tell by the mess that is my room in the background. Today was such a good day, even though it started out very stressful, chaotic, because I couldn't decide on an outfit. Which didn't even matter, because I didn't get pictures anyways. But, yeah. Now my serotonin levels are through the roof. I am ready to write this essay. That might be a little bit too bold. Yeah. But I feel very good. Beach day, much needed. Thanks for joining me for another video. I hope you all enjoyed going to the beach. And I will see you all next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.